All right, your wish is my command. I'm going to put some of my wife's garden soil on this hardwood floor and on her brand new rug that she just got for this table. And please, Lord, let me be done before she gets home. Let's get going with this. Get a little dirt here. Put a little bit on this rug. See what we got. Don't know if you can see how good this is, how good this looks. But folks, this thing is $99 and free shipping. Let me repeat that. $99, free shipping, fully rechargeable, runs up to 40 minutes, weighs only about 2 pounds. Do not pass this up while it's on sale for $99 freaking dollars. Click the link below. Damn.